Hello friends, today I came to you the subject of microcontroller, computer peripherals and interfacing. Uh, So friends, uh, introduction of microcontroller. A microcontroller, sometimes abbreviated in different ways, is a small computer on a single integrated circuit containing a processor core, memory, and programmable input-output peripherals. It can only perform simple tasks. A microcontroller is often described as computer on a chip. Okay, a microcontroller is often described as a computer on a chip. Would you believe that each one of you is using at least 20 microcontrollers in your house? So exactly where can microcontrollers be found, right? AC, micro oven, TV, LED TV, smart TV, washing machine, mobile phone, etc. 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 How does a microcontroller look like? Microcontroller is just this size, and there are sub-pins. Different types of microcontroller is available. Microcontroller circuits output can be a digital watch or your bike speed meter. Okay. Programming of microcontroller. There should be header file, main program body, user-defined functions, variables, logic making, loop control, etc. etc. Uh, some microcontrollers classification. Uh, there are four types of microcontrollers. The classification: bits, memory devices, instruction set, memory architecture. Uh, in bits wise, there can be 4, 8, 16, and 32. By memory device, embedded and external. By instruction set, CC and RISC. Memory architecture by Princeton and Harvard. Okay. Uh, by family, 8051, Motorola, PIC, Texas, National, ARM, and others. And 8051 is like as Intel, Atmel, Dallas, Philips, Siemens. Okay. Today we will read about Atmel microcontrollers. Atmel Aviar 8-bit and 32 bits. Atmel ARM based 8051 architecture. And 80 mega 8 pin diagram is available in Google. Please search it. And pin classification of 80 mega 8 is 28 pins, 5 power pins, 23 IO pins. That means 28 pins. Okay. Again, pin classification of 80 mega 8, there are 28 pins, 5 power pins, and 23 IO pins. In IO pins, there are port B, port C, and port D. In port B, there are 8 pins. Port C, there are 7 pins. Port D, there are 8 pins. Okay. Port B and port D, there are 8 pins. And port C, there are 7 pins. Okay. And the 5 power pins are VCC, ground, left ground and right ground, AREF and AVCC. Okay, and 23 pins are, port B, port C and port D. Okay, we can see at 80 mega 32 and 80 mega 32 are 40 pins. In 80 mega 8 there was 28 pins. In 80 mega 32 there are 40 pins. In 80 mega 8 there are power pins 5, and 80 mega 32 the power pins are 8 and IO pins are 32. And IO pins classification is just like as port A, port B, port C and port D. It is the you can see port A 8 pins, port B 8 pins, port C 8 pins and port D 8 pins. Okay, then you can write as 40 pins of 80 mega 8 are power pins, port A, port B, port C, port D, and everybody has 8 pins. Okay. In 80 mega 32, the power pins are 8. Okay. Which are the power pins? There are XTAL1, XTAL2, ground, VCC and reset, AREF, ground and AVCC. Okay. The pin classification of 80 mega 32 power pins are number of 8. The pins are reset, VCC, ground, external 1, external 2 and AVCC, ground and AREF. Okay, and others are IO pins. So friends, this video was right now over. If you like my video, please press subscribe button and press like option, and if you want to know about more about this subject, please comment me. If you comment, I will be very happy to you. I think my video was better if I had some of good decoration, but this is a simple video. I want to keep my video simple for you, so I decided not to decorate my room. Okay, so friends, if you want to know more, you can Google it, and microcontrollers are very usable things in our life. Already AC, TV, fridge, washing machine, mobile phone, laptop, PC, everything is just microcontroller. So we have to know about microcontroller because we uses it every day. Okay, we have to know about the microcontroller family, about the programming system of microcontroller. If you want to work about microcontroller, with microcontroller, we can simulate it, we can make watch, we can make everything, we can blink a LED. we can make a sensor. Make a security by using sensor. Everything are uses microcontrollers. Okay, so friends, today video is over. Thank you everyone.